morning, Quadcopter 101 here, and I have something neat for you today. It's not a review of a drone, it's a review of this drone carrying case. Now, those of you who've been watching my videos for a while know that I've been using quite a few different things to carry my drones out into the field. I started actually with a Home Depot bucket. Then I switched to cardboard boxes. And now I think I found what's perfect to satisfy. When I go flying with quite a few drones all at once. You know, I don't go out with just one drone, folks. And this will come into play here. This is the URUAV UR7 backpack. It's pretty versatile little, or big backpack. This thing's huge, actually. It's 40 by 55, 40, 55, and then 22 centimeters in depth. That's pretty darn big. The way it works is you can put your larger drones external to the backpack, and you'll use these hooks here to hook them, and they hook easily and come apart easily. Let me put this one down for now. But what I want to show you is the neat design of this thing. Now, if you open it up, it has, again, it is huge interior. You get these 5 dividers, 1, 2, 3, 4, actually 4 dividers, I'm sorry. 2 horizontal dividers that you can velcro into place anywhere along the height of the backpack. And then you get these horizontal dividers here, that, or vertical dividers, I'm sorry, to separate into further compartments. The way I got it set up is this bottom compartment here is for holding a FPV controller, not FPV controllers, drone controllers. I got my Fumi A3 controller in here. I also got my hat camera on the bottom here. I got my T8SG in here. I got my FXT goggles here. I got a couple of little micro drones up here, micro whoops to go flying with. And I got more electronics gear to go with my FXT goggles here. Additionally, it comes with all kinds of mesh pockets in this in the interior, and exterior mesh pocket also. And this, it comes with this also. This is a rain guard that you can place over the entire backpack. So let's put it on just to show you. It's a rain guard, which is pretty cool in itself, you know. If you get rainy weather, you can protect at least the backpack. I don't know about the big drones, if you got big drones on the exterior surface with this, but this will protect the backpack. Let's put this away. Also, one other thing, let's go a couple other things. It's got side straps here. I don't know what you'd use that for, but and the back surface is nicely padded, very very cushiony, and interior, it has one more pocket here that you can put a laptop in, or whatever else that you could fit into this big, large pocket. So overall, I think it's a great deal for the price. I think it runs under $40, about $38, $39. But it's going to come in handy for me big time. No more do I need to carry around this huge cardboard box full of drones and batteries and controllers. This is nicely done, URUAV. I really like this. The UR7 from URUAV backpack for drones. Hope you enjoyed this. This is Quadcopter 101 signing out. Hi, Quadcopter 101 here again. Hey, if you want to get your own shout out in one of my future videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's real simple. Just go to my channel page and click on that subscribe. And also make sure to click that bell button right next to the subscribe button. That way you get notified when I release a brand new video immediately and give you a chance to get that first shout out. So give it a try, folks.